Hi, today I have the iPhone 5s from the last video and I'm gonna swap the battery with a new one. And I'll make this fast. You have the previous video, I'll link it with the complete disassembly for replacing the button. So let's open this package. And here we have it. Let's take it out. And out from this. And this is the new battery. I think it is original. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. And now let's open the phone. Alright, now with the phone open, let's disconnect the battery. With the battery disconnected, now we can remove it. Alright, I removed the screen to make it easier, but these tabs are too old and one already broke. It breaks with little effort, so they are not good. So I'll have to pry the battery out, and that's a good thing that I have removed the screen. After forcing the battery a little bit, I managed to catch it with my tweezers, and I hope to remove it in one piece. Right, so after some prying I managed to get it out. You can see it's made in 11th of 2013, so it's month 11 from 2013. And the new one, it's made in 07, the month 7 of 2021, so it's quite newer than the other one. So let's replace it. Right, so with everything just connected, seems to be working. Still has a charge on the new battery. Here is the old one. And now let's close the phone. So just to show you, I don't have the original adhesive, but I have this strong double-sided adhesive tape that I'm going to apply. And let's put this battery inside and close the phone. Alright, let's make sure that the button works. It does work. And now the crunchy part. Okay, seems closed. See if it still works. And let's put the screws and we are finished. And the phone is done. See you next time.